Hello my friends, I want to show you something special. I just finished to prepare this DIY crochet kit and we placed this product to our Etsy store. Only one like this is available. Here we have a beautiful collection of Italian viscose. I prepared such kit in 4 shades. The main color, I choose this one. It's very trendy for this season, and also this combination is very nice for this season, and I think for any summer it will be perfect. And this kit is for this dress Martinica, cocktail dress with cheerful, beautiful and tender design. So this kit includes high-quality Italian viscose, 800 grams, also journal with printed colored schemes, USB flash drive with full tutorials, video tutorials, schemes, instructions, 2 crochet hooks, 1.7 millimeters and 2.1 millimeters, and also fabric pattern. I will make it specially for my new student by using her individual measurements, because this is a base on which we should place our motifs and create composition. And also on this base we need to make joinings between motifs. Also, I am sending samples. They are very beautiful. I made them in the same colors, so it's like part of work ready to use. And it's really big part because I made big flowers with wings, 5 motifs, 2 motifs for shoulders or for waistline. We are using them at the shoulders, and also we have flowers, 3 petals, 3 motifs, and small wings. And also I made sample of a fringe, Caribbean fringe that we are using at the bottom, just to show how it should look, yes, the final result. And also it's with my variant how we can combine these 4 colors and create this beautiful design. And now I want to show you closer this kit. So first of all, the main color, it's really incredible and very rare, and it looks very beautiful and special. We have 3 cones, each cone 100 grams and 3 cones 50 grams each. And that's why we have 3 cones, because for my projects I am joining 3 strands together and I am using a crochet hook 1.7 millimeters. Also I am sending a bigger crochet hook just for this project. It's nice to have it when we start to create this fringe, Caribbean fringe, because we can make this beginning more loose, not so tight, and it will be better. I know it from my practice. That's why I'm sending 2 crochet hooks. USB flash drive with video tutorials, with PDF lessons, schemes and instructions, everything is here. Also about this dress. It's cocktail dress. This front side is a little bit shorter, back side is longer. This fringe, it has 2 layers. When you walk, it's incredible, just feeling. This thread is very soft, it's tender, it's nice to the touch. It doesn't wrinkle. Also this lace, it's perfect. It's nice for summer holidays, for hot weather, it's perfect. And this thread we cannot compare with cotton, linen or something. You need to try this yarn, you will love it. It's a little bit elastic, it's like silky, and it has such a nice a little shine, silky shining. It's really very beautiful, and lace is elegant, gorgeous, and this thread is perfect for projects like this. And we have here 8 lessons. First lesson about motif flower with wings. Second lesson about these rounded shape elements. We are using them at the shoulders and also at the waistline. In total 4 elements. Also we have flowers, 3 petals, and also separate wings, small motifs, they are very useful, and our Caribbean fringe. 2 lessons about this fringe, because we have there a lot of rows, and half of fringe we have in lesson number 3, and next lesson number 4. Totally we will finish the fringe. Next about fabric pattern, about composition, about joinings, and last lesson about making edgings around the neckline, around the armhole lines. Also we have one lesson about joining the fringe to the main part of the lace. I am explaining how to create 2 layers of this fringe and how to attach step by step this fringe to this part of lace. And I made detailed video lessons. I showed everything from the beginning to the last stage how to create this project. And what is great, you can create this dress in your size, because I am making for you this fabric pattern by using your individual measurements, and that's why you can create perfect dress for your figure. And it will be like a second skin for you, especially if you will make it from viscose. Yes, it will be just perfect. Now about motifs, let's look closer to these motifs. And also threads. Okay, I will show next threads also. Just want to show you how soft and beautiful is this yarn. It's incredible. And we have here such interesting combination of colors. Very trendy for now, for this season. And let's look to these colors. They are additional because we have main color and 3 additional colors for this beautiful design. And each time we have 3 cones, because I recommend you to join 3 strands together to get the same lace, the same dress, like I did it. Also, these rounded shape elements, they are also very tender and beautiful. Not difficult to make, but very beautiful. You see? And I made them into colors, this light color, and our main color is in the middle only. Also, I want to show you another version of this flower with wings. Just I changed color design, that's all, and I received another motifs, like you can see. It's so interesting because this is the main element for this dress, and it's very simple. You will see this, and when you will learn how to create this element, you just need to create a lot of them by changing color design. You have this all information in my lessons. They are very easy, understandable, and I'm sure you will create everything with big pleasure. So we have here also these flowers, 3 petals, different color design, and also separate wings. They are very small, but they are very useful. We will place them between another elements where we have small gaps. We should place them, and it's better to use all colors to create them. Just several like this, next few like this and this. And when you will make composition, you will see where you need a darker color and where you need lighter, and you will create harmonious design of your lace. And after also we have this Caribbean fringe. It's very tender, and this time is very cheerful, and you can see how beautiful design we have here and what colors and how I mix them. And in the end, we will, in our lesson, we see information how to create 2 layers of this fringe and how to attach this fringe to the main part of lace. I think it's even like a final step, and after we can remove our finished dress from fabric pattern, and we can finally wear this dress and see what result we have. A really magical pattern, and the design is so interesting. I hope you will like it too. Maybe someone dreamed about a dress like this and also loved colors like this. You can find this incredible DIY crochet kit in our Etsy store. Link you will find below this video. And if you have any questions about threads, about your pattern, about tutorials, about threads and colors, just send me a message. Contact information you will find in description to this video. I will gladly talk with you about everything because I love to crochet, and for me it's a really big pleasure to prepare the perfect kit for my students. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like always, I wish you big inspiration, gorgeous crochet results, create something big. I really recommend you to create dresses. It's my big passion, and it's so big happiness to wear something creating by yourself. I wish you this, try this, and you will feel incredible emotions. And visit our Etsy store. There we have a lot of DIY crochet kits and beautiful yarn kits. I am sure each of you will find something special for your next crochet project. I wish you all the best, stay safe, and see you at the next videos. Bye bye, my friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video inspires you, please subscribe and turn on the bell. Your comments and likes help our channel grow and reach more creative hearts. Before anything else, we want to say thank you, truly, from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you to every single Patreon member who supports JThouse. Your support is not just a subscription, it's trust, it's belief in our vision. It's the reason we can continue creating couture designs, developing new courses, and hosting live workshops every single month. Because of you, our live online crochet school keeps growing. Because of you, we can experiment, design bold new pieces, and share every step of the journey, from the first sketch to the final stitch. You are not just supporters, you are part of our creative family. And we are so grateful to create this magic together with you. If you'd like to join our Patreon community, the link is in the description. We'd love to welcome you. Take a look at these incredible results. These are just a few of the breathtaking dresses our students have created using our detailed crochet courses. From beginners who started with simple doilies to advanced crafters, they've all achieved something extraordinary. And guess what? You can too. Meet Anna, one of our students from Poland. At a beautiful stage in life, she made her first crochet dress. And it turned out absolutely stunning. Now she's hooked and creating new dresses every season. If she can do it, so can you. Maybe you've always dreamed of making your own dress, but thought it was too hard or too complicated. Let me tell you something. We're here to change that. With our years of experience, detailed courses, and the best materials in the world, we'll guide you every step of the way. This is your chance to turn that dream into reality. Creating something as grand as a crochet dress isn't just about the final product. It's about the journey. When you finish a big project like this, you'll feel a deep sense of pride and respect for yourself. And trust me, that feeling is priceless. Imagine this. While everyone else is posting pictures of their doilies online, you'll be sharing photos of your handmade masterpiece. A dress that's uniquely yours. Let's be honest, they'll be green with envy. But more importantly, you'll have proven to yourself that you're capable of creating something truly extraordinary. And it doesn't stop there. Your family, friends, and even strangers will admire your work. Who knows? You might even start getting requests to make dresses for others. That's the power of mastering this craft. It changes how you see yourself and how others see you. Now, let's talk about style. When you have the skills to create your own dresses, you're no longer limited by what's in stores. You can design something that's 100% you. Choose the colors, the textures, the patterns, everything that reflects your personality and taste. That's true freedom. Handmade dresses aren't just clothing, they're a statement, they're a way to stand out, to show the world who you are. And the best part? You made it yourself, let's be real. Handmade crochet dresses can cost a fortune if you buy them. But when you make them yourself, you're not just saving money. You're creating something priceless, something that will turn heads and earn you respect. Not just from others, but from yourself. And once you've made one dress, why stop there? You can develop your own unique style, something that people will recognize and admire. Imagine being known as the woman who creates stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces. That's the kind of legacy you can build with crochet. So, what are you waiting for? If you've ever dreamed of creating something extraordinary, now's the time. With our courses, our support, and the best materials in the world, you can make it happen. Click the link in the description to explore our courses and start your journey today. Your dream project is just a few stitches away. Let's create something extraordinary together.